Welcome children. I hope everyone is fit and fine. This is yet another class in which we are studying the chapter lesson number 3 addition. Okay? Now, first let us have a quick recap of what we have completed till now. Now, we have done in the previous session addition property of 0, where we have studied that if we add any number to 0, we will get the same number. Then we have done addition property of 1, in which we had studied that if we add 1 to any number, we will get the next number. And we also have the look on what is a number line. Okay, now the today's topic that we are going to study is addition on a number line. Now I have already explained to you what is a number line, but let us see again what is a number line. A number line is a continuous line representing numbers. I already told you what is a continuous line. It is a line with arrows on both the sides. Just a sec. Yes. So can you see the arrows on both the sides? So it is a line with arrows on both the sides. And then you have numbers. Okay. So this is your number line. Okay. Now, today we are going to study how we will add numbers using a number line. For that, I want to introduce to you a character. Okay? Now, this is a funny monkey. His name is Darcy. What is his name? Darcy. Now, Darcy wants to tell us something. Darcy is saying, "Hi, I will help you jump on the number line." So Darcy is very happy. She wants to help you to jump on the number line. Yes, to add numbers, we have to jump on the number line. Let us see how we will do it. Now, we have a question here. What is 4 plus 3 equal to? Now, we will be solving this using a number line. Let me show you how with the help of Darcy the monkey. The question is, so we have a number line over here and Darcy is sitting on the number 0. Okay? कहाँ बैठी है वो? On the number 0. Now, what was our question that we had to solve? Yes, it was 4 plus 3 equal to what? Now, you know that in order to add numbers, we have to jump on the number line. Okay, we have to create a jump. Darcy has to jump on the number line. But the question is, where will Darcy jump? Darcy कहाँ कूदेगी? है ना? So for that, we have to first see the first number in the question. Can you tell me what is the first number in the question? 4 plus 3 is equal to question mark में पहला number कौन सा है? Yes, it is 4. So Darcy first will jump on the number 4. Can you see the number 4? Now I will tell Darcy, Darcy, please jump on the number 4. Okay, so Darcy has jumped on the number 4. Now, where will Darcy jump? अब आप क्या करोगे? You will see the next number. So, what is the next number after plus? Plus के बाद कौन सा number है? Yes, it is 3. So, now Darcy will jump 3 times. How many times? 3 times. Okay. So, let me make her jump. Darcy, jump 1 time, 1. Darcy jump 2 and 3. So Darcy has jumped 3 times. अब वो कौन से नंबर पे है? Can you tell me? Yes, she is on the number 7. So our answer is 7. So what is the answer? 4 plus 3 equals to 7. Have you understood? Darcy, first we will keep our pencil Darcy on 0. Okay, we will keep our pencil on 0 and then first we will have a look at the first number. हम पहला number देखेंगे. Okay, then we will make, just a sec. Then we will make just a sec children, just let me change the color. Okay, so first we will be at 0. Okay, we will see the first number. The first number is 4 here, so we will make a jump directly to 4 plus. पहले हम 4 पे jump करेंगे. We will jump to 4 first. Then we will have a look at the second number. The second number is 3. तो उतनी times हम jump मारेंगे. So I will jump 3 times. Okay, one by one. So I will jump like this, not directly. 1, then 2, and then 3. Okay, so I will arrive at the answer. Let us see one more example. Just a moment, children. Yes. Let us see one more example. Okay, so the question is 2 plus 4 equal to question mark. So we have to add two numbers, that is 2 plus 4. Okay. So here is our number line. Let me call Darcy. Darcy, please come. The question 2 plus 4 is equal to question mark. Darcy, where are you? Please come. Okay, so here is Darcy. Darcy has come now. Now children, can you tell me what is the first number in the question? Yes, the number is 2. So where will Darcy jump first? Directly. पहला jump जो होगा, it will be directly to that number. Yes, she will jump to the number 2. Now, can you tell me what is the second number? Yes, the second number is 4. Now, what will Darcy do? How many times she will jump? Yes, she will jump 4 times. Okay, so let me make Darcy jump. 1, count with me. 2, 3, 4. So Darcy has jumped 4 times. And where has she arrived? कौन से number पे? Yes, it is the number 6. So what is the answer? 2 plus 4 equals to 6. Yes, we have solved addition on a number line. Now, children, you will be doing this in your notebooks, right? So let me show you how you will solve it in your notebook. Now, there is one important question. Before moving to that, there is one important question that I have for you. Think, okay? Now, where is Darcy jumping on the number line while adding? Darcy jump कर रही थी. She was jumping in the first one. 4 plus 3. She jumped to the number 4 and then 3 times. Okay. So where was she jumping? Forward या backward? Can you tell me? आगे jump कर रही थी या वो पीछे jump कर रही थी? Where was she jumping? Yes, you are absolutely right. She was jumping forward. Okay, forward, not backward. ठीक है? Now, children, from this we can conclude that when you are adding two numbers on a number line, you jump forward. Okay? हम कहाँ jump करते हैं? Forward, यानी आगे. Okay? Now let us see how you will solve it in your maths notebook, where we have lines. Now this is your math notebook page, suppose. Okay. Now I have a question here. 4 plus 4 equals to question mark. Okay. So I am having a question. 4 plus 4 is equal to question mark. So first I will draw a number line. I have already explained to you how you will draw a number line in your maths notebook, and everyone is drawing it perfectly. Absolutely good. So this is your number line. This is your number line. You have drawn the number line. So the first step is, tell me. Yes, you will see the first number. What is the first number here? Yes, it is 4. So I will jump, I will make a line, or I will make a curve. I will jump from 0 to 4. So how I will show that? With a curve. देखा 0 to 4 पे हम आए हैं, and you will draw an arrow like this. This is a forward arrow. ठीक है बेटा? This is a forward arrow. Please do not make a mistake of forming a line like this. This means आप पीछे जा रहे हो. So this is wrong. Okay? So you will not do this. Okay? Just a sec, children. Yes. So I have jumped from 0 to 4. Now what I will do? I will see the, yes, I will see the next number after plus. Plus के बाद कौन सा number है? Again 4. So I will jump how many times? Yes, I will jump 4 times. Okay. So let us jump. Jump means we will form a line. Okay. We will form a curve. So I have done 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you will form with your pencil. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and you will also draw this arrow. As I said, आप आगे जा रहे हो, जिस direction में जाओगे उस direction में आपका arrow भी होगा. So we are moving forward on the number line. So I will make the arrow like this. If अगर हम पीछे जाते then I would have formed some other. But अभी के लिए आप याद रखिए, when we are adding two numbers on a number line, you move forward. ठीक है? So where have we arrived on the number 8? So I will form a circle. जहाँ पे मैं पहुँचूंगी, I will form a circle and then I will write this answer over here. So what is the answer now? 8. We have got the answer. You can watch the video again if you have not understood it. Okay? You will understand it. I am sure about it. Okay? I know you all are intelligent children. Okay, now there are few points that you have to remember. The first point is a number line is a continuous line representing numbers. जब भी आपसे कोई पूछे, whenever someone is asking you what is a number line, so you have to have an answer, right? So my children will answer quickly. A number line is a continuous line representing numbers. Okay? And the second point that you have to remember is when we add two numbers, we move forward on a number line. So the word that you have to remember is forward and add. Okay? When you are adding, you move forward. Okay? Now, that is all for today, children. I will be giving you an assignment on this. Okay? If you have any kind of doubt related to number line, छोटा सा भी doubt होगा, give me a call, children. Okay? Till then, Take care of yourself and bye bye. Okay, please wash your hands regularly, wear a mask when you're going outside, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.